So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the border weight of an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Canva and add a photo to your design. So for this demonstration, I'll press on elements right here. I will then go to where it says photos right here. Search elements. I will then go to where it says flower. For example, I'll then press on photos and grab a photo of a flower. So if I wanted to use this flower right here, this background, or I guess this photo right here, to add a border first and foremost, press on the photo, go to the top, press on border style, and then add a border. Now to increase the border weight, which is pretty self-explanatory here. Where it says border weight, you can slide this bar to the right to make it thicker. You can slide it to the left. You can also just go to the type area here and type in a number. So if you want a 20 border just like that, there you go. And all of a sudden, if you were to make the photo larger or smaller, the border weight actually does stay the exact same. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to edit the border weight around an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.